Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and securing the panel. Dust is the enemy, so wear a mask and goggles. Once done, measure and snap a precise line with a straight edge. This gives you a clean guide. Now set the cutting tool depth to match the drywall thickness and lock it. You want a consistent score, not a ragged tear. Then brace the sheet or clamp it to prevent shifting. Stability equals accuracy. Begin the first scoring pass. Keep steady pressure and follow the pencil line. After your initial score, make one firm, continuous pass because clean single cuts reduce ragged edges. You need to maintain a consistent angle and pressure so the blade tracks true. If you hesitate, you get chips. Then support the sheet and snap it along the score. Use both hands and let the board break where weakened. For electrical boxes or rounded openings, switch to a jab saw or rotary cutter and finish the cut from the back to avoid tearing the face paper. You now smooth and fit the piece. Trim any rough edge with a rasp or a sharp utility blade so joints sit flush. This prevents gaps when taping. Fasten the drywall to studs with screws at the recommended spacing and countersink slightly. If you encounter tear out on the face paper, don't force the fit. Apply tape over the damaged area, rescore carefully along the line, and finish the cut. That stabilizes the paper and yields a clean edge for mudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.